Want to get rid of My AI on Snapchat, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove My AI on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To remove My AI on Snapchat, we'll first need to unpin the chat. Open the Snapchat app and go to your Chats tab. Hold down your chat with My AI. Select Chat and Notification Settings. Then tap Unpin Conversation. To remove My AI from your chat feed, hold down My AI again and select Chat and Notification Settings again. Then tap Clear from Chat Feed. To confirm, tap Clear. That's all it takes to remove My AI from your list of chats. You can still access My AI by starting a new chat, but this way you won't accidentally open the chat from your main Chats tab. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.